What happens when you drive one of the cheapest SUVs in America for 40,000 miles? Does it fall apart, or does it quietly prove everyone wrong? That's exactly the question explored in today's story on Phi Hoang Channel, where the focus is on what really matters to everyday drivers: reliability, ownership costs, and whether a budget SUV can survive real life in America. The 2024 Chevrolet Trax entered the market with a simple mission. It wasn't designed to be the fastest SUV, the most luxurious crossover, or the most high-tech vehicle in the segment. Instead, it promised something far more practical: affordable transportation with modern design, solid efficiency, and everyday usability. But promises on paper mean nothing until a car is driven hard, day after day, mile after mile. After 40,000 miles of real-world driving, the Trax delivered a surprisingly strong performance where it matters most: reliability. Throughout the entire long-term test, the vehicle didn't suffer any mechanical failures, no breakdowns, no major warning lights, and no expensive repairs. For a budget SUV, that kind of dependability is exactly what buyers hope for. The Trax simply kept doing its job without drama. From the perspective of Phi Hoang Channel, that kind of reliability is actually one of the most underrated qualities in modern vehicles. Flashy horsepower numbers might look exciting on YouTube thumbnails, but for most drivers, the real victory is a car that starts every morning and doesn't drain your wallet. And speaking of wallets, the maintenance costs for the Trax were incredibly low. Over the entire 40,000-mile period, the total maintenance bill came to just a few $100s. Routine services like oil changes, tire rotations, and basic inspections were the only things required. There were no unexpected repair bills and no complicated mechanical problems. In today's world, where car ownership costs keep rising, that kind of affordability makes a big difference. Under the hood, the Trax uses a small 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, producing 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. On paper, those numbers might not sound impressive, and to be honest, the Trax doesn't try to be a performance machine. Acceleration is decent but not thrilling, and aggressive drivers probably won't find it exciting. However, the engine does exactly what it's supposed to do: provide smooth and efficient daily driving. Fuel economy is another strong point. In real-world driving, the Trax averaged around the high 20s miles per gallon, which is solid for a small crossover SUV. It's efficient enough for daily commutes while still offering the practicality and higher driving position that many American buyers want. Inside the cabin, the Trax also held up surprisingly well after tens of thousands of miles. The materials still looked clean, the seats maintained their shape, and overall wear and tear was minimal. Of course, it's not a luxury interior. Some surfaces feel basic, and the infotainment system can occasionally feel a little slow. But considering the price point, the cabin delivers a lot of value. One of the biggest strengths of the Trax is ride comfort. The suspension does a great job absorbing rough roads, making the vehicle comfortable for long highway drives as well as daily city commutes. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to live with. And sometimes that simplicity is exactly what makes a vehicle successful. From the viewpoint of Phi Hoang Channel, the 2024 Chevrolet Trax represents something refreshing in today's car market. Instead of chasing extreme horsepower or futuristic gimmicks, it focuses on practicality, efficiency, and affordability. It may not be the most exciting SUV on the road, but after 40,000 miles, it proved something important. For drivers who just want a dependable, economical crossover that gets the job done every single day, the Chevrolet Trax might be one of the smartest choices in the segment. And sometimes, reliability is the most impressive feature of all.